When we look at organizational control, we can either have behavior controls or we can have outcome controls. And so here we'll cover a few examples of each of those categories. So behavior controls are those that are actions and decisions. Behavior controls dictate those actions of individuals, and they often emphasize rules and procedures. So if your organization has policies, procedures, processes, those would be behavioral controls. Some examples would be here that many restaurants or food service companies or manufacturing companies that manufacture food have very strict attire requirements, right? They have policies on how you need to be dressed. And this is to make sure that employees here in the United States follow the rules of the Food and Drug Administration and also those of local health departments. So dress attire policy is a behavioral control example. Another one would be that if you're signing checks within the organization so that money is being paid out, you need at least 2 different people signing the check to make sure that we do not have dishonest employees trying to steal or embezzle money. That's the second example. The third behavioral control example would be in a classroom setting where we have grading. And so if you're requiring students to come to class and they get a grade attached to coming to class, that is one type of behavioral control. We also have outcome control examples. So when we talk about outcome controls, these are the controls that assess measurable production outputs, and other tangible results. Often these output controls emphasize bottom line performance. So our first example deals with house sales here in the United States. In the United States, often real estate agents, those who are selling the houses, are paid a percentage of the selling price when the house sells. So the more expensive the house, the larger the percentage of compensation the real estate agent would get. And so we can look at that in terms of dollar amounts that are generated for these houses being sold. And that's an important metric that is an outcome control. Then there's companies in the United States like Redfin, where you actually do not have a percentage paid, but rather a flat salary for those real estate agents. The second example here in the United States is that when you go to a restaurant, you often tip, meaning leave an extra amount of money for the servers that bring you the food. This can be a key outcome control that the server can influence by providing good service, friendly service, fast service to the customers of the restaurant. Finally, grades that you get in school are a tangible means to compare students. For the employers and the universities, when you apply for grad programs, can use this as a very tangible means to compare students to each other. And that would be the final outcome control example. So that's it for our quick examples on behavior controls and outcome controls. See you next time. Be safe. Bye-bye.